Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My dear students, how are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 3. We are learning unit 14. Its title is Helping at Home. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today under the title of pronunciation skills, we are going to learn about homophones. Before this, we have learned about different words having the same ending letters. And we have also learned about rhyming words. You remember this sound alike, okay? So this is a little we are the same concept. We cannot say it the same concept. We are going to learn further about words which have same sound and different meanings. Okay. So our SLO is to locate, identify and differentiate. Locate, identify and differentiate between and use some simple pair of words including homophones. This is our SLO. So let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah An-Nahl, verse 14. And it is He who subjected the sea for you to eat from it tender meat and to extract from it ornaments which you wear. And you see the ships plowing through it, and He subjected it that you may seek of His bounty, and perhaps you will be grateful. Yes, my dear children, what this beautiful verse is telling us. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created many things, and everything, when we think about it, it amazes us. One thing, in the first part of this verse, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning about the tender meat, the fish which we take from sea and we eat it. And then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is talking about ship which plows, which travel on the surface of water. You see, so there are, alhamdulillah, sea is a huge blessing of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and every blessing of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is amazing. This is what Allah is saying, be thankful for all the bounties of Allah. Alhamdulillah. Now, my dear children, look at this word. How do we pronounce it? Sea. Okay, this is one water body. We say it sea, and this is also sea, which means to see, to what we have, like we see. So we pronounce these words in the same way. Their spellings are different. They are two different words. So what we call them? Do you know that? Okay, so what are homophones? Tell to your teacher. And do homophones have same meanings? What do you think? So pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear students. What are homophones? Homophone has been derived from the Greek word. Homo means same and phone means sound or voice. So homophone means same voice. When we say homophones, it means we are talking about the words which have same sound. When we say they sound same, but they are different. Their spellings are different, their meanings are different. Okay? For example, one and one. When we say it, one and one sound same, but their spellings are different and they are two different words. Okay? Meet and meet. This meet means when we meet someone. Hello, assalamu alaikum, right? And this meet, what we eat, meet. So they are two different words, but they sound same. So such type of words, such type of pair of words are known as homophones, right? So there are more examples. Let's see. Bat, you know. Bat is a mammal. You learn in your science, inshallah, bat. So this is something to play with, right? Band, a music band. And band, which you headband, which you wear on your head. Spellings are same, we pronounce them same, but these are two different words. Okay, so let's see what does your book say about it. All of you open your book on 118. Pronunciation skills, pair of words. Homophones are words that sound the same. They have different spellings and different meanings. Means their different meanings and spellings are different. Examples are sun, you know, sun, and son. A boy, a son is going with his father. Okay, so this son and this son, their spellings are different, but we say it same, we pronounce it same. Their meanings and spellings are different. They are homophones. Okay, the other example is see, as I just gave you. See, I can see you. Okay, and see, a water body, right? So their spellings are different, but their pronunciation is same and their meanings are also different. Okay. Dear, my dear friend, when we were writing cards, greeting cards, we were writing different, my dear Aisha, my dear Amina. So this is dear. When we want to show our love to our friends or our family members, right? So we use this word dear. And deer, it's an animal. Spellings are different, meanings are different, but pronunciation is same. Deer and deer. Okay. Weak, someone who is comparatively weak, like who he can pick these heavy stuff, but he cannot, so he is comparatively weak. And week, 7 days in a month, week. Spellings are different, meanings are different, but pronunciation is same. Week, week. Okay. So are you clear with the concept? Such type of words which have same pronunciation, different spellings, different meanings are homophones. So let's practice this concept through an activity. Teacher will divide class in pairs. Students can practice matching each flashcard with the corresponding picture or play memory where they flip the card over and find matches by taking turns and flipping the cards one at a time. So teacher will make flashcards for homophones and students will keep turning the flashcards, flipping the flashcards and matching it with their homophones, or even teacher can make it a memory game, like there can be 3 on one side, 3 on the other side. So 1 goes with 3 and 2 goes with 2. This is how you can make it interesting. So pause the video, enjoy this activity for homophones and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. So let's practice it from your book. All of you open your book on page number 118. What you are going to do, you will encircle the picture that describes the underlined word. Okay, it's very interesting. You will read the sentence and you will find out which out of these 2 goes with the sentence. My hair is brown. Okay, so these spelling for hair are the hair which are on your head. Okay, and this is also here, but its spellings are different. So which picture you will encircle? For this here. Okay, here, my hair. All right, likewise you will keep reading the sentence and keep encircling the picture which goes with this sentence. Pause the video, enjoy this task on your book, complete it. If you have any confusion, better you can raise your hand, talk to your teacher, and teacher kindly make the children to understand the concept instead of telling the answer. Okay, so pause the video, complete the task and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. Now it's time for your homework. You will underline these words in your book from page number 115 and 16. And also write their homophones. Okay, these are the words. First find out these words in your book, recognize them, and also write their homophones in your notebook. This is your homework. Here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practicing of homophones. So what we have learned today, we learned to locate, identify, and differentiate between, and use some simple pair of words including homophones. Are we done with it? Yes, so that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing. Take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.